The Beatles and the Rolling Stones, two of the most influential British rock bands of the 1960s, were often portrayed as competitors in the media. However, behind the scenes, members of both groups maintained friendly relations and sometimes collaborated. George Harrison, the Beatles' lead guitarist, once recalled an amusing memory involving Mick Jagger, the frontman of the Rolling Stones. Harrison mentioned that Jagger would often show up during their group's more intimate or significant moments. He specifically referred to a trip to Bangor, Wales, in 1967, when the Beatles attended a seminar on transcendental meditation led by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi. Harrison had been delving into spirituality at the time and wanted his bandmates to share in the experience of the Maharishi's teachings. This event took place during a transitional period for the band shortly after the death of their manager Brian Epstein and aligned with their growing fascination with Indian music and philosophy. Ringo Starr, the group's drummer, described in the Beatles anthology how spontaneous the trip was. He said that his wife Maureen had been in the hospital giving birth to their son Jason, and while he was visiting her, he received a message from George. In it, George expressed excitement about meeting the Maharishi and told Ringo that they were planning to go to Wales on Saturday, encouraging him to join. Harrison later reflected on the experience in Bangor and explained that Maharishi had invited them to attend a seminar, promising to teach them how to meditate the following day. According to Harrison, they had simply jumped on a train the next day and went. He also mentioned Mick Jagger's presence at the seminar, noting that Jagger had been there, frequently seen lingering in the background, curious about what was happening. Harrison believed Jagger didn't want to miss out on whatever the Beatles were involved in. After Harrison's death in 2001, Mick Jagger paid tribute in Rolling Stone magazine. He noted that Harrison's spiritual interests had been more than just a passing phase, and observed that, while it may have appeared trendy at the time, Harrison had remained committed to his spiritual path throughout his life. Paul McCartney also reflected on Harrison's spiritual journey. He observed that while many people had merely experimented with spirituality, for George, it had become a central and lasting part of his life. McCartney acknowledged that Harrison had faced ridicule for his beliefs, particularly in England, but emphasized that Harrison had remained true to his convictions and never abandoned them. Despite persistent media claims about a rivalry between the Beatles and the Rolling Stones, McCartney clarified that this idea was simply something the newspapers had created.